Welcome to Technology Review, where today we're diving into an in-depth comparison between two of the most anticipated flagship smartphones of the year, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Both devices have garnered significant attention for their cutting-edge features and performance. In this comprehensive analysis, we'll explore their design, display, camera capabilities, performance, battery life, software experience, and overall value to determine which device stands out as the superior choice for consumers. Design and build quality. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a premium titanium frame complemented by Corning Gorilla Armor 2, enhancing its durability and scratch resistance. Its design features sharp, angular lines that exude professionalism and robustness. The device measures 162.8 millimeters in height, 77.6 millimeters in width, and 8.2 millimeters in thickness, weighing approximately 218 grams. In contrast, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL opts for an aluminum frame paired with Gorilla Glass Victus 2, offering solid build quality with slightly less durability. Its design is more compact and portable, featuring rounded corners that contribute to a comfortable grip. The Pixel measures 162.8 millimeters in height, 76.6 millimeters in width, and 8.5 millimeters in thickness, with a weight of 221 grams. Display quality. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is equipped with a 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, supporting a peak brightness of 2,600 nits. This high brightness level ensures excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. The display also features an anti-reflective coating that effectively minimizes glare, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED panel with an impressive peak brightness of 3,000 nits, making it one of the brightest displays available. Both devices support a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and responsiveness. However, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's anti-glare coating provides an edge in outdoor visibility. Camera capabilities. Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra features a versatile quad-camera setup, 200MP primary shooter with optical image stabilization, OIS, and 2x optical zoom. Sammy Mobiles. 50MP periscope telephoto lens with OIS and 5x optical zoom. Sammy Mobiles. 10MP telephoto lens with OIS and 3x optical zoom. Sammy Mobiles. This configuration allows for high-resolution images and a range of zoom capabilities. The Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a triple camera system, 50MP Octa-PD wide camera with OIS. Sammy Mobiles. 48MP Quad PD ultra-wide camera with autofocus. Sammy Mobiles. 48MP Quad PD telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. Sammy Mobiles. Additionally, it features a 42MP dual PD selfie camera with autofocus, catering to high-quality self-portraits. Sammy Mobiles. In practical use, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera system excels in versatility, offering multiple zoom options and detailed image capture. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, while lacking the same level of zoom versatility, delivers vibrant and true-to-life colors, particularly excelling in low-light conditions. Both devices offer exceptional camera performance, with a choice depending on user preferences for zoom capabilities versus color accuracy. Performance and hardware. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 256 GB to 1 TB. This chipset delivers significant performance improvements, offering up to 37% faster processing speed and 40% enhanced AI capabilities compared to its predecessor. The Pixel 9 Pro XL utilizes Google's Tensor G4 chipset, optimized for AI and machine learning tasks. It comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM and storage options, starting at 128 gigabytes up to 1 terabyte. While the Tensor G4 may not match the raw processing power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, it excels in AI-driven tasks such as real-time translation and advanced camera features. Benchmark tests highlight the performance disparity. Pixel 9 Pro XL, 4,775. These results indicate that the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers superior performance, particularly beneficial for gaming and resource-intensive applications. Battery life and charging. The Galaxy S25 Ultra houses a 5,000 mAh battery, supporting 45W wired and 25W wireless charging. In tests, it achieved a battery life of approximately 17 hours and 14 minutes. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is equipped with a slightly larger 5,060 mAh battery, supporting 37W wired and 23W wireless charging. It delivered a battery life of around 12 hours and 54 minutes in similar tests. Tom's Guide. While both devices offer substantial battery capacities, the Galaxy S25 Ultra demonstrates longer endurance and faster charging capabilities.